Boo! Hello again. How you doing? Had a bit of a busy day today. Before I show you the rest of the vid, I contemplated getting some new herbs because the last lot died. Now, I'm not the best with plants, indoor plants at the best of times, so I thought I'd invest in some more superior quality plants from the garden centre. The last lot I had from Aldi's, I think they were about 80 pence each, and I've got one survivor. That's basil, because he's basil, obviously. Basil the herb, so I called him Basil. Anyway, I thought, go on, spend a couple of quid on each plant, and then I might have a fighting chance of these things, you know, existing, living, instead of dying on me all the time. So that's where we're going. Obviously, I've just come back. I've already done the day. But now I'm sort of going to virtually take you back to the beginning. And I hope you enjoy it. And I'll see you back here at the end, where we'll be potting them up. I might throw a few, you know, well-known or not known facts in about each one of them. Or maybe just a couple of them. I'll see how I feel. You know, I don't want to commit. So, yeah. I hope you enjoy it. Come on, let's go. Hello. Hey ho, let's go. We're at Webb's Garden Centre, and I'm about to buy some herbs for the kitchen. Thought I'd bring you with me. So we've got some sage, and we've got tricolour sage. I think we're going to go for maybe one of each, why not? 5 for a tenner. So I'm going to pick the best one. That'll go on the windowsill in them new pots we just bought.
Because they're smaller.
So we're going to go with 2 different types of sage. Let's go and look for some more. Are we filming? I'm going to grab some thyme. I've got thyme on my hands. Follow me. My hats fell off. My hat fell off. Could have warned me that it was going to fall off. Anyway, what else we got? Shall we have a look? What's woodruff? Have you had a woodruff before? I haven't. What's this? Woodruff again? Okay, we need them chives over there. So that's where we're going now. Okay. I'm in a bit of a dilemma now. Because they've got them all already in there. So instead of buying 5, I could just buy one of them. But I've bought 5 pots already, so I can't. Anyway, come on. Parsley. Yes, we'll have a bit of parsley. That's a strawberry. Show me. Now, my very, very favourite herb, especially to cook with, is chives. Chives. Absolutely amazing, chopped up in your mash on a Sunday. Now we're going to get some mint. Perfect with roast lamb. Anything to do with the lamb, stick a bit of this on it. But finally, parsley. Perfect for parsley sauce and such like. Now I'm going to go and find a basket for a drop of the lot. Okay. Can't say I'm not eating it.
I know what it's fine.
Been a bit of a dilemma. The woman at the till said, "Do you want a bag for them?" I said, "No, it's alright." What am I going to do with them now? I thought I was going straight to the car, but I'm not. I'm going into Cotswolds Outdoor Centre. Cotswold Outdoor Action Travel Centre. So these are going to have to go in my bag. I'm just wondering how this is going to look to people while I'm walking around the shop. Crazy bag lady with a bag full of plants. It is what it is. You make the best, don't you, of a bad situation, a bad sitch. So, yeah, next time we're buying a carrier bag. Let's go. Love my North Face stuff. Nice with earthy drinks. Well, whilst I took my glasses off.
Change colour.
I found that I like. Opinions, please.
It's good.
Was it?
Yeah, it looks nice.
Where's that chair? Is it slouchy enough?
Yeah. Yeah.
Then we'll have that. And we're back. I hope you enjoyed that. It's time to get the gardening gloves on. Oh. There we go. Don't want to get the fingernails dirty, do we? Now then, remember the basil I was talking about, basil, earlier? Little plant, it was only about that big. All the rest died off. God knows why, but they did. Anyway. Look at him. That's basil. Smells absolutely gorgeous. We'll just sit him over here so we can watch. cracking size. Beautiful. Right, we're all set up. Got me some little pots from, well, it was a big barn type shop, and it was in Studley in Warwickshire. Warwickshire is the birthplace of Shakespeare, if you didn't know, and that's just outside of Birmingham. Not quite sure what the shop's called. It's just a massive big barn, and they sell all sorts of lovely stuff. I'll try and put the name in the below bit. £2 each. So I bought 5, tenner. Okay, because we're repotting these. So, if you didn't know, there's my compost. Fibre light. Get your pot. And fill your pot. Create a well in the middle. And get your plant. And pop it in the pot. And then fill in all the gaps around the sides. I'll put a bit too much in there, but still it'll straighten itself off. And there you go, you've potted your sage. Right, I'd love to show you me doing all of them, but I can't be bothered to speak it all the way through. I just want to get it done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe and click the notification bell for all upcoming future uploads. Any comments, please leave below. And that's me with my new herb garden. See you soon. God. Okay, once they're all potted up nicely, get yourself a little watering can and give them a drink. Give them a, you know, a fighting start in life. See you soon.